In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with PayPal on Steam. Steam, as we all know, is one of the most popular digital distribution platforms for purchasing and playing video games, and it offers a variety of payment methods to make your experience seamless and convenient. Using PayPal for your transactions on Steam is not only secure but also straightforward. If you're ready, let's dive into the process step by step. First things first, ensure you're logged into your Steam account. If you don't have one, setting up an account is quick and easy. Just head over to the Steam website and follow the instructions to sign up. Once you're in your account, locate and click on the Store tab. This will take you to the main marketplace where you can browse a vast array of games, downloadable content, and more. Find the item or game you're interested in purchasing, and click on it. Going through the product page allows you to see all the important information like user reviews, specs, and system requirements, ideal if you want to make an informed decision before you buy. Once you're ready to proceed, click on Add to Cart. You might want to review your cart just to ensure everything is as it should be. Once satisfied, click on Purchase for myself if you're buying it for your personal library, or Purchase as a gift if it's a present for someone else. Now, you'll land on the Payment Options page. Here, the magic happens. Look for PayPal among the several payment methods. It's wise to double-check if PayPal is enabled in your region, as its availability can sometimes vary. Once you see PayPal, click on it, and then click Continue. A prompt will redirect you to the PayPal login page in a new window. Enter your PayPal credentials. If your account utilizes two-factor authentication, make sure your mobile device is handy for security verification. Once you've logged in, confirm that all your details are correct and authorize the payment. It's a valuable practice to ensure your PayPal balance or associated payment methods can cover the transaction cost before you proceed. After you've authorized the transaction, you'll be redirected back to the Steam confirmation page, indicating that your purchase was successful. You should also receive a confirmation email from both PayPal and Steam detailing your transaction. It might be worthwhile to keep these for your records, just in case you need to reference them later. And that's it. You have successfully made a purchase on Steam using PayPal. Your new game or content will be available in your library for download and play immediately. Using PayPal is not only secure, it also provides an additional layer of privacy and convenience. Thanks for following along, and happy gaming!